They'll just keep taping.
That's what I was doing. That's everything.
I wanted to get it on fucking camera.
I'm just gonna leave this play. I mean, might as well. You're a bunch of idiots. I mean, look at that thing. It's fucked up.
Don't back the whole thing.
Dude, the whole axle's falling off the other side.
Is it?
Oh yeah, those spring brackets came off on the front. I mean, that axle will come out from under there eventually.
Yeah. I'm waiting for the battery.
Still running. Get back up there again. Here. It's perfect. Oh yeah, we want to be closer.
Hey, he rolled a D again.
What did that?
Roll it back over. It's all pinched in there. The frame is broke. God.
Oh no, it just needs a battery. Battery.
Oh, it's pissing. Look at it crying.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
This thing's perfect. Shit, that's it. Oh, no, that's not a good grip. This is an Isuzu.
Hell yeah. Man, if you would have known it was this good, you would have fucking heard it.
No. You went too fast, I couldn't get it on camera.
Isn't that crazy?
I mean, we're gonna need some body putty, right?
Yeah,
probably
right
need a
here,
fuller
right
right
here, right here. Just some body putty. Yeah.
Alright.
Oh, shit. No, don't rip that out.
It's still got potential.
It's dead.
Are you pumping it?
Needs a good battery.
Needs more juice.
No, I'm pretty sure right here. What shit?
No, it's another truck.
This one's still alive.
This is good.
He'll get it running.
It'll start again.
That's he's pissed.
Oh yeah. It'll start.
Get some tires off that D. They're nice.
Or just push it or pull it or something.
That's the least that happened to you. You've been pretty fucking good.
Put the gator
Can you
against
push
the
start it?
Yeah.
Well, then move the gator. Well,
Oh,
this
we're
kind
not
of
gonna
stuff.
push it.
The wheels barely roll.
The wheels are barely rolling.
It'll buff out.
Oh yeah, I got everything on video.
Oh shit.
YouTube. What's that?
Oh, dude, this shit's going on my face. Oh,
Derek-
chain.
Derek, where's
the
that
other two
cord
burnouts
you
that
had?
got.
Plug into the camera and it goes into the TV. Where's that at?
By my mother's.